Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video we are going to walk through how to apply an emergency certificate to travel to India. So before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, this emergency certificate is issued when you urgently need to travel to India and you don't have your Indian passport. Like let's say you have gone, you're living in other country as a permanent resident, for example. Okay, your passport expired, and due to whatever reason, you could not renew it. Okay, now there's an emergency, a real emergency, and you need to travel. Okay, although there's like Tatkal certificate and other Tatkal passport processing and other things are there, it may not be possible in certain cases. So, and you need to travel emergency. Okay, so in this case, you can apply for emergency certificate. This is like one-way travel it allows, and it is issued when you don't have a valid passport. Okay, it can be issued in other situations too. You can check with your embassy mission, whichever is um, handling these cases at the location where you are. Okay, and there could be additional documents required too because they have to prove. But one common requirement is to fill this form and take it along. Okay, fill this form, print this form, and take it along. So when you click here, after logging into the embassy passport save of embassy, you can come here and then you can you need to fill this is like 7 8 steps. Okay, so I'm just putting sample, you need to do as per your case. Have you ever been on the no? Have you ever changed your name? No. Date of birth, you need to do as per your case. Place of birth, let's say born in New Delhi. Is your place of birth outside India? Sector no. State, marital status, citizenship of India, let's say by birth. PAN, voter ID. Like the more you have information for these fields, although they are non-mandatory, it's better to have, like it's better gonna be because they have more means to verify you. Your education, employment type, like let's say you say not employed, visible distinguished mark, anything. If you have Aadhaar number, it's always good to have because then they have more ways to verify you. Oh, Aadhaar number they have asked. Oh, Aadhaar, I no. Because I have written no Aadhaar number, so that's why I should have checked no. Father's given name, Peter Smith. Mother given name, let's say Lana Smith. Legal guardian given name, let's say if not applicable. Next, applicant address. Address in India where you are going. Emergency contact, previous passport, and other details. EC review. So you have got an idea how you can go through this. I've given you the walkthrough. Just let me give more idea. Yes, sample guys. Pin code. Wow. Mobile number. Present address, current country. Of course, like when you are issuing for this, you are outside India. Mobile number, email ID, phone number, whatever they have, it's always good to. Can I skip this section? Wow, previous passport. Enter details of latest held existing ordinary passport. Previous current diplomatic officer. Have you applied for passport but not issued? Let me see if I can go to the next page. I have never held. Wow, but you have the more details you have, like you need to put. Other to provide the foreign details if any criminal proceeding, no. Warrant summons, arrest, uh, arrest warrant, order prohibition order. Yeah, no, I'm getting no for all, but you should do it. Like you need to read, understand, and then do. And of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.